How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So if you forgot your iPhone passcode, you came to the right place. If you can't remember your code, if you can't get in this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to reset your forgotten passcode and create a new one. Please keep in mind that this video is updated to 2026 in the latest versions of iOS, and also everything that I'm about to show you in this video comes from Apple. This is the official Apple method and how Apple recommends that we deal with this situation. On top of that, this will only work if the iPhone is actually yours, if you are the owner and you have forgotten your own passcode. This is very important. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. And the first thing you need to check is if you have internet connection. It can be either Wi-Fi, as you're seeing right here, or cellular. It doesn't matter what type of internet connection it is, you just need to be connected to the internet in order for the process to work. So keep that in mind. Then what we're gonna do now is just type in a random code. Type in the wrong code. It doesn't matter, any code right here. We need to enter wrong code a few times until we actually get to this screen right here. As you can see, iPhone unavailable. So that's exactly what we need. And it doesn't matter for how many minutes it's gonna show right here. So 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 hours, it doesn't matter. We just need to get to this screen, iPhone unavailable. So make sure to enter a random wrong passcode until we get to this screen right here. And when you do, what we want is this. Forgot passcode. As you can see, we have a dedicated button to help us deal with this situation. Now, if you don't see this button, if you are in iPhone unavailable and you don't see this button, it may be for a few different reasons, depending on your iOS version, depending on your Find My status. It doesn't matter. The thing is, if you don't see this option, you will need a computer for this. And I do recommend that you go ahead and take a look at my other video here on the channel. I'll leave a card right here, link in the description, where I show you step by step how to do this, how to reset your forgotten passcode, but with the help of a computer. Again, you only need this if you don't see this option. If you see it, great. We're gonna do it just with the iPhone. We don't need anything else, okay? So, moving on. If you see this message, let's continue. All you have to do is tap here on Forgot Passcode, as you can see. So just tap on it and wait a second, and you're gonna see here, Forgot Passcode, you are a security lockout. That's exactly what you want. And what you wanna do right here is tap on this button which says Start iPhone Reset. And again, I need to explain this because in order to move on with the process, yes, we will need to reset our iPhone to factory settings. We will need to format, delete everything, wipe out all of the data inside the iPhone. That's the only way to do it. That's how Apple engineered it. And that's why I mentioned this is the official Apple method. That's how they intended. So yes, we will need to reset everything in order to reset our passcode. This is a security feature, but don't worry, because of course we will be able to recover all of our data back from our backup. So after we're done, we'll be able to recover from the backup. I'm going to show you briefly as well at the end of the video. If you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, there's just no other way. Of course, you will be able to recover a ton just with your Apple account credentials, a ton of information, your photos, your contacts, you'll be able to recover a ton, but as I mentioned, there's no other way. Okay, so let's move on and tap here on Start iPhone Reset. And as you can see, your iPhone will ask you to sign out of Apple ID, so of your Apple account. And this is very important because this is the guarantee that the iPhone is yours, because only you actually have your Apple ID, your Apple account credentials. So again, that's a way that Apple would check that you are the owner, again, official method. So go ahead and type in the password of the Apple account, the Apple ID that's linked to this iPhone, to your iPhone. You're gonna see it right here, as you can see. So type it in. If you don't remember your Apple account information either, if you don't remember your passcode, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description linking to the official Apple website that will help you with that, okay, to recover your Apple account password, okay? I remember, of course, I'm gonna type it in right now. And then I have to confirm here on the keyboard and wait. This will take a second, and as you can see, it's gonna confirm that everything on this iPhone will be erased. So are you sure you wanna erase all your content? Everything I have already explained you. As I said, there's no other way, so we have to do it, erase iPhone, as you can see, and that's why we need internet connection to check with Apple if your credentials are correct. They have been confirmed, of course, and now, as you can see, we have the Apple logo with a loading bar, and this process would just take like a couple minutes. You're gonna see Apple logo and loading bar a few times, your iPhone will restart, you see a black screen, and all you have to do really is wait. So put your iPhone here on the table and wait pretty much a couple minutes. Don't do anything, just let the iPhone work. And so, as you can see, we're gonna get to the hello screen, meaning we're done. The iPhone has successfully reset to factory settings, and of course, there's no passcode anymore. You're completely free of your forgotten passcode. And then what you're gonna do really is just set up your iPhone as you would. Language, region, and then you're gonna continue. If you have another iPhone next to you, you can quick set up with another iPhone. If not, you can set up manually and you do the usual. I'm gonna go ahead here very quickly and go through those very first pages of the setup process because I'm just wanna show you the backup information that I mentioned before that you can actually use to restore all your data. So I'm just gonna continue with the setup process and we'll be back in a second. As you're setting up your iPhone, it's gonna ask you for your new passcode, proving that the old one is gone, and of course, you can create a brand new one. So go ahead and create it and then confirm it. And then we get to the screen saying transfer your apps and data, and that's exactly how you can recover all of your data in files and apps from a backup if you have one. You can choose from an iCloud backup or either from a Mac or PC backup or even from another iPhone or an Android. Okay, so that's how you just go ahead and recover all your information. If you don't have a backup, no problem, you can just continue with don't transfer anything in your iPhone will bring everything from your Apple account, which is already quite a lot, okay? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one as usual, guys. Bye-bye.